Amaravati Mahastupa, the crown jewel of Buddhist heritage in Andhra Pradesh. The present-day twin villages of Amaravati and Dharanikota, located about 33 kilometers north of Guntur town in Andhra Pradesh, were part of an ancient township known as Dhamnakada or Dhanyakataka, nestled on the serene banks of the Krishna River, adjacent to the ancient town of Dharanikota, lies a monument that once stood as the beacon of Buddhist spirituality, the Amravati Mahastupa, also known as the Mahachaitya. It has an estimated diameter of about 50 meters and a height of roughly 27 meters, making it one of the biggest Buddhist stupas ever built in Andhra Pradesh. The mound was known as Dipala Dinne, the Mound of Lamps, a name mentioned on several architectural and sculptural elements from the site. Buddhist traditions here reflects Hinayana early Buddhist to Mahayana Buddhism. Initial phase, 3rd century BCE. An Ashokan edict inscribed on a pillar at the Mahachaitya confirms Mauryan control and Buddhist patronage in Amravati. Constructed using brick and mud, forming a modest hemispherical stupa. Served as a reliquary housing sacred relics of the Buddha. Expansion under Satavahanas. Dhanyakataka, modern name Dharanikota, Amravati, emerged as a major town in the 2nd century BCE and served as one of the Satavahana's key capitals. The stupa was enlarged and embellished with a stone railing, Vedika, gateways, Toranas, and drum slabs. Limestone was used extensively for sculptural panels and decorative elements. Later additions flourished through the Ikshwaku 3rd to 4th century CE and Pallava periods. Sculptural style became more refined, with increased emphasis on symbolic representations of Buddha. Amaravati remained an important Buddhist and Hindu pilgrimage site into the medieval era. Excavations. Colonel Colin Mackenzie was the first to document the antiquarian significance of this site in 1797. Since then, it has attracted the attention of many art historians, archaeologists, and epigraphists. These 18th and 19th century interventions transformed Amravati from an overgrown mound into the world's foremost collection of early Buddhist art. They produced over 400 sculptural fragments now housed in museums across India and the UK. The present-day Archaeological Museum at Amravati, which is close by the Mahachaitya, housed these artifacts dated back from the 3rd century BCE, showcasing Ashokan edicts, the Amravati School of Art, Buddhist iconography, and relics of Buddha. This museum is a living chronicle of Andhra Pradesh's glorious past. Religious pluralism in ancient Amravati. Concurrent with Buddhist patronage, Amravati hosted important Shaiva and Vaishnava shrines. The Amareshwara, Amralingeshwara temple, one of the 5 Pancharama Kshetras dedicated to Shiva. The towering Buddha statue in present-day Amravati is the Dhyan Buddha, a monumental symbol of peace and spiritual heritage in Andhra Pradesh.